Alright, so we had to do the fuel pump on the 2003 F-150. I'm going to run you over what we had to do here. First thing you do is disconnect your battery. Inside your fuel tank, you got one clamp right there that hooks onto that we had to take off. That's your fuel thing. There's 3 screws in here. Six screws in the bed. You got your 2 wires for your tail lights or your tag lights, and 1 wire for your tail lights. You disconnect all those, remove the screws from the bed, and set your bed up just back on the tire and on the bumper, like so. Pretty easy to do. That exposes your fuel pump. Fuel pump's right there. Disconnect the hoses, disconnect the wiring, pop your fuel pump out, put your new fuel pump in, set your bed back down, hook your gas filler neck back together, put your tag lights back in, plug your tail lights in, and put the 6 screws back in your bed. Pretty simple.